Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to split your computer screen into two and place your files side by side. So on my screen, I have some files open, and what I want to do is quickly compare two Excel files on my screen. So this current one starts with D season 5, and I want to put that side by side with another sheet. I can press the Windows key. The Windows key is located close to the Alt key, which is next to the space bar in the typical Windows keyboard layout. Now if I press that and I add the left direction key, it will fit my current window to the left, and then when I release the Windows key, I'm able to fit any other window. It could be PowerPoint, Word, or any other file to the other screen. So over here, I'm comparing this Excel screen. So I now split my screen into two, and I'm able to compare these two files side by side. It must be said that this is also possible in Excel under View, and you can arrange all and split screen. But this option, using the Windows option, allows you to fit other files or other windows apart from Excel side by side. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to your Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.